Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, I would like to inform to all viewers from outside Philippines, for those who does not understand our dialect Filipino, I will not be using Tagalog. I will be using vernacular language Cebuano. So in this necrological video is more on two dialects. One is in English, the other one is purely Cebuano because this person is from Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. I'm referring to this person, Filipino male, Joseph Heinrich Ramos Awayan. I'll repeat. The person who died last January 14 is Joseph Heinrich Ramos Awayan. He is a fellow Don Bosconian in Dumaguete, batch 97, SLSDB batch 97. Because his sister is my batchmate. I am batch 99, SLSDB batch 99. Because of his batch, they requested me to make a necrological video and said, okay, yes, I will. As I told them, I will publish this necrological video in one condition, as long as complete details, because it's very hard that I will publish a necrological video if incomplete details. Okay, but this is already complete, and I have the family background. By the way, the reason why I mentioned Dumaguete because his birthplace is in Dumaguete City, and I know their parents. Unfortunately, his mother died due to diabetes. She died July 25. The year was what do you call this? I did not get the year, but the date was mentioned, so there's no problem with that. But this is complete. Their son. Okay. By the way, Joseph Heinrich Ramos Awayan was born August 26, 1980 in Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. In that time, it was Region 7. He died on January 14, 2026 due to cardiac arrest. So, he encountered stroke at age 45. So, meaning he did not reach his birthday on August 26, 2026. So, unfortunately, he died January 14, 2026 in Cebu City. So, it happens in Cebu. Sa Subo nahitabo ang iyang pagkamatay. By the way, ang mayong balita ani ang iyang body gitransfer do Dumaguete pero wala ra gi-cremate upon family request, no. Nakaibotang sa description, Awayan family, Dumaguete City. So okay ra na siya. By the way, ang tiyada ani is nakasurvive iyahang na siya'y brother, na po siya'y sister, which is akong kabatch, si Eden Rose Awayan Pakatang. Eden Rose Awayan pagkadalaga that time. Then he has a brother named Reynaldo Awayan Jr. Iyang brother. Kaya siya may eldest. Then he is survived by his father Reynaldo Awayan Sr. Iyang papa. That is his father. Okay? By the way, the funeral mass will be held at our Mother of Perpetual Help, Redemptoris. Kasagaran ang sa Catholic man ang Dumaguete ang tag-ani is perpetual. Diretso usara ka word perpetual. By the way, dili ni siya Parañaque kay na may perpetual sa Parañaque, Redemptoris Church in Parañaque. Pero kani siya ang funeral mass i-held sa Our Mother of Perpetual Help Redemptoris sa Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. Dito i-held. So wala sa Cebu. Okay? By the way, ang iyang burial is January 23, 2026, so after funeral mass sa Bagakay Cemetery. So Dumaguete City. Kay akong balay under man sa barangay Bagakay, pero di ko kaadto burial, pero aware ko na namatay na siya sa cardiac arrest kay iyang papa may iniingon. Pero kani ang nag-request ani necrological video is iyang mga batch 97 Don Bosco. Actually nakikondolence ko nila, then so sad, very sad. What you ko ka daw na maatake siya kalit. He's so young, he's so healthy. Then usually ang cardiac arrest or kanang stroke, di na mapanagna, it can attack anytime, it can happen anytime. So madyo ko mo 46 na gyud siya, sayang kaayo. So mata ang family background. Then batch 97 ni siya sa Don Bosco 1997. Then college wala na ko'y balita. Then mata naka-work na siya sa Cebu. Mana to ang kuan. By the way, iyang parents is Reynaldo Awayan Sidia, as what I mentioned a while ago. Namatay na iyang mama si Eden Ramos sa pagkadalaga Awayan. So matoy family name kay tungan sa iyang papa. Dayon sila tulo ka sibling. So meaning siya eldest, second si Reynaldo Awayan Jr., then si Eden Rose Awayan Pakatang. Matay third bunso, youngest na siya, younger sister. So mara to. Then by the way, this is it. Before I say goodbye, don't forget to support, subscribe, and click the notification bell for my next necrological videos. By the way, this necrological video is purely local. Kay Philippines man eh. This is Philippines happen. So this is it. As you can observe, my necrological video, I'm using two languages, Filipino, which is Cebuano, and the other one is English. Okay? So kung kayo ay taga Metro Manila, hindi po to Tagalog. Kung may Tagalog, unless kung may taga Manila o Luzon, pwede. So I hope you understand the request of their batchmate who died, no? Because I'm also on the Bosconian in high school. Okay, thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon.